Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type text in 3 column in Microsoft Word. So if you have data like like so if you have data, so just click on layout and column and select here 3. So automatically you can convert your data into 3 column. And if you don't have the data and you want to type in 3 column, so same method, select here layout column and click on 1. So 1 is default. Select here 3. Now start type here. So it will auto convert your text into 3 column. Like once this you finish here, so it will start from this side. And once you finish, so it will start this third column. So this is the basic way guys to type in 3 column. And once you make changes, you need to make in 1 column. So layout and select here 1 column. Similarly, you can select 2 column, 3 column, left, right column, right, left column. So in case if we have 2 column as combination of this right, left or left, right and 3 column. Also guys, you have the option once you click on more column, so you can set as your need like 4 or 5 column and click on OK like this. So thanks for watching.